As a marketer or business owner, you most likely know that sending the right email to the right person is key to a successful email marketing campaign. That's where GetResponse's email segmentation comes in. By dividing your subscribers into targeted groups, you'll be able to send more relevant information to these contacts and be more successful in general. Let me show you how. First, log into your GetResponse account. If you don't have an account yet, click the link in the description and create one for free. Then select the list you want to segment. Next, click on the segment option and choose the condition you want to apply to your list. You can segment based on subscriber activity, personal data, custom fields, and many more. Get as specific as you want. And there you have it. By using GetResponse's segmentation feature, you ensure that your subscribers receive relevant information that will reflect in the engagement that you will see in your emails. So what are you waiting? Start segmenting right now.